Do you know the difference between whitefish and oily fish in terms of nutritional content? Welcome to a captivating exploration into the world of fish, a realm filled with a diverse array of species, each with its unique set of nutritional offerings. Today we're diving into the fascinating topic of whitefish and oily fish, two categories that may seem simple at first glance, but are brimming with complexity when it comes to their nutritional content. Why does this matter, you might ask? Well, understanding the nutritional content of different types of fish can significantly impact your dietary choices, ultimately influencing your health and wellness. Knowing the difference between whitefish and oily fish is not just about being a seafood connoisseur, it's about being a conscious consumer, an informed eater, and a steward of your own body. So are you ready to embark on this fishy journey? Stay tuned as we unravel the nutritional secrets of whitefish and oily fish. First off, let's dive into the world of whitefish. Whitefish, as the name suggests, are fish with white flesh, often found in colder waters like the North Atlantic. They're quite the bunch, ranging from cod to haddock to pollock, each with its unique flavor and texture. But beyond the taste, where whitefish truly shine is in their nutritional content. Whitefish are lean, mean protein machines. They're chock full of high-quality protein, a key nutrient your body needs to build and repair tissues. For those of you counting your calories, whitefish are a fantastic choice. They're low in fat, which means they're also low in calories, making them a perfect addition to a healthy, balanced diet. But protein and low fat aren't the only things whitefish bring to the table. These fish are a good source of several vitamins and minerals. They contain vitamin B12, which plays a crucial role in the functioning of the brain and nervous system. They also provide a healthy dose of iodine, a mineral that helps regulate your metabolism. We can't forget about the selenium either. This mineral, found in abundance in whitefish, is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. And let's not overlook the phosphorus. It's essential for healthy bones and teeth, and yes, you guessed it, whitefish have it in spades. One might argue that whitefish are a bit like a multivitamin, providing a wide range of nutrients in each delicious bite. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Whitefish, while rich in many nutrients, are low in omega-3 fatty acids, the heart-healthy fats found in higher quantities in their oily counterparts. So there you have it. Whitefish, a low-fat, high-protein choice that packs a nutritional punch with a variety of vitamins and minerals. But remember, every type of fish has its strengths and weaknesses when it comes to nutritional content. Whitefish, a low-fat, high-protein choice. But the story doesn't end here. Now, shift gears and swim into the realm of oily fish. Oily fish are a group of fish species known for their higher oil content compared to their whitefish counterparts. This oiliness is not just a culinary characteristic, but also a nutritional powerhouse that sets them apart. So what makes oily fish the superheroes of the sea, you may ask? Let's dive into those details. Firstly, oily fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of fat that is not just good for you, but essential for your health. These fatty acids are known as essential because our bodies can't make them, so we have to get them from our diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are beneficial for heart health, brain function, and inflammation reduction. And guess what? Oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are some of the best sources of these essential fats. But the nutritional story of oily fish doesn't stop there. They are also rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin D and vitamin A. Vitamin D, often known as the sunshine vitamin, is crucial for bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. And in the case of vitamin A, it's vital for maintaining healthy vision, immune system, and organ function. Mineral-wise, oily fish are no slouch either. They're a good source of iodine, a mineral that's essential for thyroid function. Plus, they offer other minerals like zinc, magnesium, and selenium, all of which play vital roles in various bodily functions. But remember, while oily fish are a nutritional treasure trove, they should be part of a balanced diet. Eating a variety of foods will ensure you get a wide range of nutrients your body needs. Oily fish, a power-packed source of essential fatty acids and vitamins. Dive deeper into the world of fish in our next segment, where we'll compare the nutritional profiles of whitefish and oily fish. Don't miss it! A scene script. Time for the nutritional showdown between whitefish and oily fish. Let's get ready to rumble in this underwater ring of knowledge. Whitefish, like cod, haddock or sole, are lean fish. This means they have less fat content compared to their oily counterparts. However, this doesn't mean they're nutritionally inferior. They're packed with high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. They also contain significant amounts of B vitamins, particularly B12, which is crucial for nerve function and the production of DNA. Additionally, whitefish are a good source of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. On the other hand, we have oily fish such as salmon, mackerel and sardines. These guys are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart health benefits. They can help lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease and improve brain function. Oily fish also contain more vitamin D than whitefish, which is essential for healthy bones and teeth. Plus, they're a good source of vitamin A, which supports eye health and boosts the immune system. But here's the catch. Oily fish, due to their higher fat content, also tend to have more calories than whitefish. This might be a consideration for those watching their calorie intake. Also, some oily fish can contain higher levels of environmental pollutants like mercury, which can be harmful in large amounts. So, who wins the nutritional face-off? Well, it's not that simple. Both whitefish and oily fish have their unique benefits. Whitefish provide lean protein and essential vitamins, while oily fish offer heart-healthy fats and a boost of vitamin D. The key is to enjoy a variety of fish in your diet to reap the benefits of both. Remember, it's not just about choosing one over the other. It's about incorporating these aquatic wonders into your diet in a balanced way. After all, variety is the spice of life, and in this case, the spice of a healthy diet. Both whitefish and oily fish have their own nutritional highlights. It's all about balancing them in your diet. But what does all this mean for your health, you may wonder? Well, let's dive into the health implications of consuming both whitefish and oily fish. Whitefish, with their lean profile, are low in fat, making them a brilliant choice for those keeping an eye on their calorie intake. They are a fantastic source of protein, an essential nutrient for muscle repair and growth. But their benefits don't end there. Whitefish also contain important minerals like selenium and iodine. Selenium plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system, while iodine is necessary for proper thyroid function. Let's swim over to oily fish. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, good fats that our bodies can't produce on their own. These fats are known to support heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure. Studies even suggest that omega-3s can help decrease levels of depression and anxiety. Now that's a catch worth reeling in, but it's not just heart health that oily fish are good for. These fish are also a boon for your brain. The DHA found in oily fish is a major structural component of the brain and eyes. Regular consumption of oily fish can help maintain brain function and prevent age-related cognitive decline. Additionally, oily fish are a great source of vitamin D, a nutrient that many of us lack, especially during the winter months. Vitamin D aids in calcium absorption, promoting bone health. However, it's important to remember that while oily fish are nutrient-dense, they are also higher in calories than whitefish. So for those watching their weight, moderation is key. That brings us to the crux of the matter, balance. While both whitefish and oily fish have their unique health benefits, neither should be consumed to the exclusion of the other. A balanced diet that includes a variety of fish can provide a wide spectrum of nutrients essential for overall well-being. The key is diversity and moderation when incorporating these fish into your meals. So the next time you're at the fish counter, remember, variety is the spice of life and health. We've covered a sea of information about whitefish and oily fish. Let's reel in our thoughts and recap the main points we've discussed. Whitefish, with their lean protein and low-fat content, are excellent for those watching their calorie intake. They're packed with minerals like potassium and magnesium and vitamins like B6 and B12. Conversely, oily fish swim with benefits of their own. Rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, they also offer a bountiful catch of vitamins A and D. They're a great choice for those focusing on heart health and mental well-being. However, it's not about picking one over the other. Both types of fish have their unique nutritional profiles and health benefits. Including a variety of both in your diet can offer a balanced approach to nutrition. Remember, understanding your food is the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment below for more nutrition insight. Until next time, stay healthy.